Hello guys, in this video we'll be guiding you through how to fix controller gamepad not working in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PC. One of the things you can do is to disconnect and reconnect your controller. The second option is to adjust the Steam input settings. In order to do this, you need to open Steam and make sure the game isn't running. Next, you'll need to right-click on the game, select Properties, then navigate to the Controller tab. Under Override, select either Disable Steam Input or Enable Steam Input if disabling doesn't work. The third thing you can do is to add the game to Steam. In order to do this, you can open Steam and click on Add a Game in the bottom left corner. Choose Add a non-Steam game and browse to locate your game's X file. Once added, go to Properties, then Controller. Launch the game and check if the controller is responsive. The fourth option is to unplug extra devices. Try disconnecting unnecessary USB devices such as keyboard or mouse and then launch the game with only the controller connected. When you're unplugging extra devices, make sure the game is turned off, and then when only the controller is connected, you can start the game. The fifth option is to update your controller's firmware. PlayStation users need to download the PlayStation Accessories app, connect your controller via USB, and connect firmware updates. If you're an Xbox user, you need to open Xbox Accessories app on your PC, connect your controller, and then apply any available updates. The sixth option is to download DS4 for Windows. This is for PlayStation controllers. Now search for DS4 Windows and then configure your PlayStation controller. The seventh option is to check for extra connected controllers. Like in step 4, you need to disconnect any unused controllers, disable or uninstall any virtual controllers in the device manager that could interfere with your main controller. And the last option is to try a wired connection. If you're using wireless, try to switch to a wired connection by connecting your controller with a USB cable. So with these different options, we hope you get to fix your controller gamepad not working on Call of Duty Black Ops on PC.